4 points. I got 2 points.
Try and read this.
Read.
You want me to read it?
You're gonna
No. I want you to read that word.
You can teach him the word, Aiden.
I said it.
What? 3.
What does this say?
Aiden,
It says, I don't know what it says. Exactly.
teach him. Why don't you teach him instead of testing him?
Hey, I was testing him to see if...
He knows some words. He does.
Alright.
He knows how to read. He knows that. He knows how to read a little, but he doesn't know how to count.
What?
He even knows
JK.
J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
No, A, B, C, D,
E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. Q-R-S-T-U-V.
TUV.
He said QR paper. What?
See, he knows how to say paper and stuff. He even knows how to curse.
He knows how to curse.
Yes, he knows how to curse.
Oh yeah, I heard him say the F word before. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R pepper. Not sing.
I'm sorry, kids. This is really funny.
A B C D E F salt. A B C D E F G. Never mind, know my game is Let's start again. It says A B C D E F salt and paper. Stop. A B C D E F paper and game.
Just keep on going, Aiden. That's the trick.
Can't. Okay. Okay, let's try to keep going.
All right. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know A B C's. Next time you sing with my.
I said the whole entire song without any mess up.
That's true.
Let's try. A B C D E F G H I J K
Pepper.
A B C D E F G
Paper.
H I J
Paper,
K
pepper, paper, picker.
Ah,
I mean, you see pepper.
Peter picked
The pecker pickle.
No, this is how it goes.
Something.
Peter picked the pickled pepper pickers.
What?
I don't know how to say that thing.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickles.
What?
Peter Piper picked a peck.
Wood?
Peter
Piper picked a
Wood.
peck of pickled
Would
peppers.
a woodchuck
Oh,
chuck?
what?
A wood could chuck chuck
Pickled
wood.
peppers.
Would a woodchuck chuck chuck?
It's a paper
If a wood could chuck chuck chuck, if a wood could chuck wood.
Would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?